of that pot, only worked on that pot.
And all I want to know, Bradley, is tell me as convener of Hunt Fishfire, what is your impression of your first event? Has it gone well for you?
I think it has. Great turnout.
Yeah.
There's a constant flow, and the people are staying and enjoying it. The events that are happening, as you can see now, they are waiting for the forge. The forge is going to be lit, and the people are really enjoying themselves. And I'm really impressed with the Westville crowd. We've had people from Maritzburg, which is great, and we've had people from Durban North.
Nice.
So
and your mix of stall holders, has that been satisfying for the visitors?
Someone said to me, there's a great eclectic mix. So, and all of it is authentic.
I've seen that, yes. I've observed the absence of trinket sellers.
Well, exactly.
Everyone here is real.
Absolutely real. So artisanal excellence, that's our target.
That wording nailed it.
That's our target.
Really well done.